Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you this FAQ. What's the difference between floor property and default wall. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we draw our ceiling. Okay, to change the height, we come here and walk through. So currently is 2008. Let's say you put 4000, 6000. It's all in here while you press. Okay, you can come in the 2D or you can come in the 3D to press it. Okay, but you're not, when you are inside this interface, you are okay. But when you are inside this tiling and all, it won't be appear. Even if you go to kitchen, also won't be appear. Okay, so only in main interface only will appear. Okay, so what's the difference between a current height? Current height is whenever you set this current height, for example, I set 4000. Okay, so when you recreate a new one, only will affect. Okay, so let's say I change again. Okay, this time I put 1500. Okay, then I come to tools, setting, put 3000. See, this one will not appear. Okay, when I start create, it will change to 3000. Okay, so that's all for this FAQ video. All right, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.